For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me.
My channel is Bambi here again. And if this is your first time seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the bell. And if you're an old subscriber of mine, thank you so much and welcome. So I'm here today to try the Charlotte Tilbury foundation and the bronzer. These two products. The product, and you can see I've already done my brows because I struggled doing that on video, so that is already done. So we are just going to prime our face and then try these out and see if we like them or we do not like them. So after I'm done priming my face, we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And this foundation is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Stays all day and night. And this is in the shade Cool Freud. And see how it goes. Right from pumping it out, I can feel how, I think this is not my shade, but let's see if I can make it work for my skin. It's a bit runny. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, this is scary. This is a bit scary, but let's blend it in. I think I used too much foundation, but it always happens to me. So I'm just going to blend it into my skin. Okay. Okay. Guys, can you see that? I have this problematic pimple here, but this thing covers. The coverage of the foundation is beautiful. It's very beautiful. Can you? I thought it wasn't my foundation. It wasn't my shade at first, but well, I can't be mad. Just, it smells really nice. It smells expensive. It smells really, really nice, like a perfume or something. Very luxury-like. But the coverage of the foundation is mad. Like, it's so smooth on my skin. Wow. I'm going to do my concealer, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer first under my eye, and right after that I'm going to use a very light shade of the Revolution concealer in the inner corners of my eyes to just brighten the whole look. Something simple, that's it. I'm really not like a cakey makeup girl. Like, I don't pack a lot of makeup on my face unless I'm going out at night, but during the day I just keep it simple. I'm going to use a brush, and then I'll say the Revolution Spot Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. This is what I use for my face. and it holds up really well. So I'm going to spray that on the brush and then blend out my concealer. Using the Makeup Revolution concealer and define for the inner corners of my eyes and blend that one out. Okay, I'm running out of this. Okay. The same brush to blend it out and then powder my face after this. Can you see that? Can you see the color grading going on underneath my eyes? Can you see it? Yeah. So I want to look like I'm sneezing, like I'm constantly sneezing. That's the kind of look I'm going in for, but that is how it looks right now. Yes, I'm going to use my SACHA Buttercup setting powder for my face, and then I'll bronze everything up with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm using this brush to pick up the product and then use it on my face. The camera is actually making everything blend together, but looking here, I can see the color differences. I'm almost done with this palette. Like this particular shade is almost done and I still use it. I have another palette but I prefer this one, so let's use this for my contouring. So I always extend my contour powder up on my forehead because I have a very long forehead and I hate that, so we do the magic of blending that in here. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm really not sure about this shade. Well, let's try it. I don't have to be all judgy. Let's try it if I really like it or not. But it feels okay. Oh. Okay. It feels really nice on the skin, but I'm not sure if it's really working for me, but it's not that bad. I'm going to use my blush, and it's the ALMAY blush. So I do extend my blush up my face also for a contour. So I'm using that right now and a bit on my nose and my chin. My eyeliner, and I'm going to replace my beauty mark and then use my mascara after that. So one thing I do is I use my setting spray before I use my mascara because it always gets messy when I use my mascara before my setting spray. So we're going to do the setting spray, and I'm using the Revolution Spots Fix for my whole face. Shake it up, shake. And then So this is how the wand looks like. I'm going to do a second dip for my eye. I just poked my eye with the wand, but that's the price you pay for beauty. I'm going to use a highlighter for my inner corner, and this is the MAC highlighter. I've used it for so long now, but I'm still using it. So I'm going to use that for the inner corners of my eye, and we are done. In our lips now, and end it with a lip gloss. It off with a I finished my lips off with a fancy lip gloss. The weather is dry, so I like my lips extra glossy. The design, this really feels very luxury. The product feels very luxury, and the palette is so big. I feel you can use it for a very long time. And how it oxidates into your skin, like it melts right into your skin. Everything feels like skin on your face. And I love the mirror. I'm going to use this most of the time when I'm doing like a makeup tutorial, but this thing is very nice. The foundation is supposed to give you this airbrush look, and I can really tell it's doing its thing. It's very nice on my skin and I love it. I just love this. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. So these two products were the star of the show today in doing my makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. And if you're an old subscriber of mine, thank you so much. Catch you in another video, but I'm going to take pictures now, and I'm loving my look. Bye.